शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्याये सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಭರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇ सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ಅವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ ಭಾದ್ರಪದ ಶುಕ್ಲದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯೆಂದು ನೀ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೂ ದಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಹರಸು ಎಂದು ಭಾದ್ರಪದ ಶುಕ್ಲದ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯೆಂದು ನೀ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೂ ದಯ ಮಾಡಿ ಹರಸು ಎಂದು ನಿನ್ನ ಸನ್ನಿಧಾನನೆ ತಲೆ ಬಾಗಿ ಕೈಯ ಮುಗಿದು ಬೇಡುವ ಭಕ್ತರಿಗೆ ನೀ ದಯಾ ಸಿಂಧು ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ ಈ ಏಳು ಲೋಕದ ಅಣು ಅಣುವಿನ ಇಹ ಪರದ ಸಾಧನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀ ಕಾರಣ ಈ ಏಳು ಲೋಕದ ಅಣು ಅಣುವಿನ ಇಹ ಪರದ ಸಾಧನಕ್ಕೆ ನೀ ಕಾರಣ ನಿನ್ನನು ಮೇಲೋಟದ ಒಂದು ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಿರಣ ನೀಡಿದರೆ ಸಾಕಯ್ಯ ಜನ್ಮ ಪಾವನ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ನಿನಗೆ ವಂದನೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಪರಶಿವನ ಪುತ್ರನೇ ಪಾಲಿಸುವ ಹರವಿ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಪರಶಿವನ ಪುತ್ರನೇ ಪಾಲಿಸುವ ಹರದೇವ ಪಾದ ಸೇವೆ ಒಂದೇ ಧರ್ಮ ಸಾಧನ ಗಜಮುಖನೇ ಗಣಪತಿಯೇ ನಿನಗೆ ನಂಬಿದವರ ಪಾಲಿನ ಕಲ್ಪತರು ನೀನೇ
day 0 of AWS Zero to Hero series, and in this video, I'm going to share you the complete course details. So please watch this video till the end so that you understand what are you going to learn right from day 1 to day 30, which includes a lot of theory, scenarios, practicals, live projects, and also interview questions. Before going on to the video, if you are a new viewer or new subscriber of our channel, just to let you know, I'm doing a 30 days of AWS series, which is very focused on DevOps engineers. We'll do projects for DevOps engineers, what DevOps engineers do on day-to-day basis. And this video, this entire series is going to be right from basics. So you don't need any prerequisites or prior knowledge of AWS or other cloud providers. The series starts on 25th of June. Today is day 0 where I talk day to day what are you going to learn. So I hope all of you have subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start with day 1 and see what are we going to learn right from day 1. So this is the GitHub repository. I hope you can see the screen. Let me just increase the font size. So this is the GitHub repository. It's in my GitHub space. I am Niramala, and the name of the repository is AWS DevOps Zero to Hero. So I use this same repository whenever I feel if I want to share some notes related to a specific day, image, screenshots, whatever is required, I keep adding to this repository. So start this repository, watch for changes on this repository, and you can click on the start button, home button, and watch button so that you get notified whenever I add a new commit to this repository. Okay, so right from day one is going to be introduction to AWS, where I introduce you to the world of private and public cloud. I teach you what is private cloud, what is public cloud, and what is the difference between private and public cloud. After that, I'll also teach you why people are moving towards cloud and why your organization, if it hasn't, why it should move towards the public cloud, or who has to move towards public cloud. We'll also learn about these things. Apart from that, for the beginners who have no idea on AWS, we'll also create an account with AWS, and I'll show you how to create that account, what are the details that are required, and how to navigate and use the AWS management console. So this is going to be the entire day 1, and we will not be doing lot of things on AWS on the first day, but we will learn about the world of cloud. We will learn private cloud, public cloud, differences, why cloud, and a lot of other things, and it's going to be a really interesting session. So once you have an account with AWS that you have created on day 1, from day 2, we'll start using AWS services. The first service that we are going to learn is one of the most widely used. If you are a DevOps engineer, developer, QE, anything that you are doing on AWS, you might have heard about this thing called identity and access management, which is basically used to manage accesses. And as a DevOps engineer, sometimes you are required to use this service to create users on AWS, groups on AWS, restrict some policies, create policies for some groups. So I'm going to teach about all of these things, and I'll also talk about zero access, zero privilege, how to move towards zero access. All of these things will talk about some best practices. So it will be a dedicated session on IAM, that is identity and access management. So once you understand that, so that means you have created an account on AWS, then you have created a user for yourself on AWS, and we are good to go with other services. And the first one after IAM is EC2 instances. So what is EC2 instance? Why you have to use EC2 instance? Why is it so popular? What are the different types of EC2 instances, and how you can play around with EC2 instances. So this is going to be the session, and at the end of this video, we do a very simple project where I host a simple web application. So I'll deploy a web application on this EC2 instance. It can be any DevOps related application as well. For example, we can deploy Jenkins, and Jenkins is again a web application, right? It's a Java web application. I'll deploy any such application for you people, and I'll show you how to access this application from outside world. That means how to access this application from your laptop, what configuration is required, and all of these things. So once you learn that, on day 4, we will learn about networking concepts on AWS. So this is very important, and it is like mandatory thing that you have to learn as a DevOps engineer, the virtual private cloud concept and the networking concept of AWS. Now, why is it very important? Is because you don't just deploy your application, but around that application, you create a lot of configurations. For example, you add more security to it, you create